Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your room temperature feels completely different from what your thermostat shows, it can absolutely feel upsetting, especially when the home feels too warm or too cold, even though the thermostat says everything looks normal. Sometimes the thermostat display seems accurate, but the room still feels uncomfortable, while other times temperature changes from one area to another and leaves people wondering what actually changed. A situation like this can happen because of thermostat placement, airflow problems, sensor issues, or HVAC settings that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix room temperature not matching the thermostat. Try these. Step 1. Check the thermostat location if sunlight, vents, or nearby heat may affect temperature readings. Step 2. Compare room temperature near the thermostat with another area to notice major differences clearly. Step 3. Inspect airflow around the thermostat if vents or blocked filters reduce proper heating or cooling. Step 4. Restart the thermostat briefly and confirm temperature readings refresh normally afterward. Step 5. Review settings on the thermostat if schedules or temperature modes feel incorrect unexpectedly. Step 6. Test the thermostat again and confirm room temperature starts matching readings more accurately.